I can remember the day it was like yesterday. I heard the name, pulled them up on the website, and I think I immediately, based on the recommendation, signed up for the 2 machine or the 30-day free trial. Within days, we had the product. We hooked it up very quickly, and immediately Amper was on board working with our folks, our production team, the IT team, make sure we got everything hooked up. And within a week or two, we had data that we were able to start taking a look at, see what it meant. And Amper was telling us what was going on, the calibration process. It was overall an outstanding experience. It was really important for me to have the guys on the floor or the production team own this. It couldn't be something that was driven from my seat. I was very interested in having it be driven by the production management team, that they'd see it as another tool. And I give Amper a lot of credit. My guy's a fantastic guy. But working with Mike, the customer success engineer, it gave him the confidence to understand the data. And he took it, he ran with it, he spread it through his production management team, and they did a fantastic job working with the operators on the floor, the machinists, the guys getting the work done. And it's really been driven by our production management team at this time, which a year ago I could not have assumed, guessed, or hoped that it would have been that much of a positive process for those folks.